Hart County, Georgia, 4 acres, county maintained road. Everybody's good to go. Size, shape, few restrictions, mobile home friendly. Near what it looks like some chicken farms, so it smells lovely. Let's see, SFRs and mobile homes nearby. Buy for 11, sell for 30. Has power there. So planning and zoning said there's no zoning. 1 residence per parcel. Okay. Can be SFR, mobile home, tiny home, but no RV or storage like structure. Okay.
So no zoning is very, very, very popular in rural markets all over the country. I love no zoning. No zoning. That's probably why there's chickens here.
I love it. I can't find anything wrong with it right now. That's all I'm trying to do.
They paid $30,000 in 2009 for it. You're going to buy it for $11,000 and sell it for 30. That's a good plan. That's a Jill type plan.
Exactly. Wait, are they living next door and they own both?
No, I just clicked on this to get a value.
What's funny is it popped right there. It makes me think that it's part of the property.
Just assessed value. Right over here. It's a different, here we go. Just assessed value, $72,000.
What if we looked at what's for sale dirt-wise?
Let's do that.
If you don't mind. Just in that zip. That's all I want.
Dirt's great. We're all past that. It flashes with flying colors of the adjacent test.
Well, that's lovely. They have quite a spread there.
No zoning. This is a lot of chickens.
Got trees and earplugs.
And nose plugs. Yeah, put a sign in there. Electricity.
I put a sign at the corner.
Yeah, everywhere.
Yeah. A sign with an arrow. 30624.
9 acres is 78,000. Square footage, 99,000. That's all good. 33 sold properties. Let's look at lot sizes bigger than 5.
It's
5 acres. Oh, it's 4. 3 to 5.
I see what's sold last year, if any. Well, you know what? I'm staring at it. Don't worry about it. There's only 4. This is my only concern. It's not that hot of an area.
Market. I wonder if the market's okay versus the deal.
That's my thoughts. So, but Herbert, I think, is doing fine. He can afford to throw 11 out there and just wait and see what happens.
Because that's how this is going to go. Buy for 11 and just
hang out
and just wait at 30. This is not a slam dunk by any stretch. And what's going on here, I'm not sure. So this is not, a risk-free transaction here. We don't have accurate. See, but then there's this.
You know what I would do on that one right there, by the way, everyone, if you're wondering what that $2,500 transaction was, I'd look it up. You can get the information, the address or the APN in that listing, pop it into ParcelFact and see if you can see if it was a quick claim deed. And that means that $2,500 is just a number that they put down when and you'll see, if you see looks like the same last name, that paints a picture. Then you feel better. Then oh, all right, dad just gave it to son. They wrote down $2,500, something like that. I feel good. It's okay. I personally I'm not that excited about it just because it's going to take so long. But if that's your market and you're moving things in the area, then roll it into your inventory. Absolutely.
And as always, get a local realtor opinion.
Would you do this deal? Catoosa County, Georgia. Accepted offer price $65,000. Thinks we can sell it for 100 to 130. 10 acres. Yes on access. Yes affordable. Yes on adjacent. Yes on attribute. Maybe 1 or 2 septic systems on the lot. It's a mountain town. Okay, don't go far from here. Or just removed a mobile home recently. Oh, has maybe 1 or 2 septic systems. It's zone ag, but has a class R4 for multiple homes at the end of the road, so it's secluded. The realtor wants to list it for 129, but I think concerned with low number of comps.
Why did they remove the mobile home?
Maybe he took it with him.
Maybe. Joe.
That's where he lives. He moved it over to mom's.
Okay.
You put a guy down there?
Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff. So you can see this.
Look, there's still something there. Or maybe that's the old mobile they just pulled off.
Well, they were dealing with sanitation somehow. So and water and electricity.
Oh, there's the street. Look, it comes right up. There's this driveway. Okay, I flipping love it.
So I love the deal.
I mean,
I love the piece of property.
Can we just verify the numbers?
It's 10 acres.
Oh, could you?
Massive.
I'm just giving you 2 things, but can you put a guy down there? Just the Google car went down there. He did. That's cool.
That's great. What a great piece of dirt.
I love it. Like that's one of those like, I want that.
Me too.
Oh, they're gonna build oh, Scott said it's too late. I'm gonna build a retirement home. You already know what you want to do with it.
Like a home to retire in or like a nursing home?
Oh.
This is 10 acres. 10 acres.
That's why they removed the mobile. Oh, they were planning on building a retirement home. That's why they removed the mobile. Got it. I thought you were going to build yourself a retirement home.
7 acres for 48.
It's 10.
8 acres for 100. 5 acres for 300.
I wish it was 45,000 instead of 65,000. That would make me feel a bit better.
1,200 square foot house in town is 800 for sale for 800,000. 120, 104. Not a lot for sale. This is all property types. 17 sold. It needs to be cheaper.
What number would you like instead of 65?
This is 20 acres. Going for 150,000
with stuff on it.
with stuff. So it needs to be around 30. Buy for
Alright.
30, sell for 60. That's just my initial opinion.
I like that. I said 45, but I was trying to be cool about it. I would like 30. I like your 30.
This.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. Wow.
It's worth this.
Look at
Jill's
it's
name.
Arabian Drive.
Jill's name all over it.
How cool is that? That's awesome.
This, I would not give up on this either. I would build an argument about why it needs to be cheaper.
We're Franklin County, Virginia. Would you do this deal? Access plenty. I like that. Buildable, yes, towards the end of the property on Dogwood Hill Road. 5.6 acres for work. No attributes. Attributes, none. Everybody's alive. Affordable, can be. Offer price was $7,300. Don't have any good comps to compare it to. We're working out thinks we could sell it for 20 grand. Property is selling in that zip code, but not near my property. So I'm completely unsure on the sales price. So buy for 7,300. It's across the road. Yeah, I see the plenty of access.
This is great.
I like it.
Look at this as a place for the sign.
I like it a lot. Oh, wow.
It goes right up there.
Does that look like a little creek in
I
there?
don't know.
You scroll back over there, you turn the camera. Maybe. Oh yeah, it kind of like goes underneath there. Some runoff or whatever.
Yeah.
All right, so that was 2021 Google car. As long as, okay, here's my thing now. Shoot. Now I'm not so into it. You see it?
What do you see?
I think that's a whole little something in there.
Oh, geez, it's all wet.
Mm-hmm. I think it might go down.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Shucks. Even though that one little piece is the flood area, I think it all drops down from there. And that's why I already built on the other side of the street. It's looking left over to me. No, wait, no. He built it in 1927. I bought it.
We're on his house.
The house is
still. I think we're on the
Oh.
target property.
You know what I was doing? I was looking for sale information, just assuming it was all bought at the same time. Yeah, that's what I was going for. Yeah, I just think he happens to own both sides of the road and he never uses it. Look, it even picks up his thing again
Mhm.
there.
Maybe
Oh.
it's perfectly okay and perfectly buildable. It's sending up some red flags about
Yeah.
drainage
Right.
and topography.
Mm-hmm. So we
See.
need to confirm. So those are trees. I thought that was a flat spot. It's the top of a tree. That's the trouble I'm having.
So you can see the part that's in the flood zone is way down here. The question is this usable part here?
That's
Wide
75
enough?
feet. Yeah. So that's a call to the county. That's a call to the county to find out what can I do there and where would it have to be able to use it.
From here to here is 13 feet, which is honestly not that big of a deal.
Of a drop.
Right.
And maybe there's a spot right there. I don't know.
Maybe there's another use for this too.
Mm-hmm. Not hunting. It's too small. I mean,
Yeah.
don't know. All right.
$7,300.
We have to find out. Yeah.
$2,300. $7,300 is cheap.
So toward the
So-
back of it is less stroked, like with the stream in the middle, right? And then you gotta have a little bridge to get to your property, which could still be cool. We just need to know.
Yep. Buy for
I-
7, sell for 20. Maybe now I can buy for 5, sell for 20. That's not so bad.
Maybe even cheaper. Just make sure that we can do something. Marshall County, Alabama. Purchase price $15,177. Thinks we can sell it for 40. So I've got 2 lots, 0.38 and 0.4. The new house around there is worth about $400,000. So minor slope, all utilities available, possible water view. Nice area. So I'd like to see this. I hope they're next to each other.
When I see immediately,
I see it.
vacant, 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 vacant. I see lots of vacant property.
There it is. So he owns both sides of the street.
And there's no street there.
Well, there's a street right there.
There's no cul-de-sac, which is where utilities are supposed to be. And all
Quick
that.
claim.
$1,000
That could
bucks.
just be written in $1,000, or maybe he did pay $1,000 back in 2014. Document number 6324. And this one, same document. So it was all on one little transaction. So that may or may not be correct. Lot 8, double check HOA. When you see like lot 8, Cherokee Hills, I just want to.
Okay, good. So 2 lots to the northeast have brand new houses. Excellent.
Oh. So we're standing right where the cul-de-sac entrance could
This is
be.
beautiful.
There's the boxes to go to stuff.
So I hope this isn't, let's look. I hope it's not way less graded than we think.
There's a bit of a drop there.
That's what I mean. Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay.
I wonder if that's a wet view.
Whew. Dodge that bullet.
It's freaking beautiful. Look at this.
I know. I don't know.
Where is it? I missed it.
Right down there.
I really, this house is substantially lower than this, and this is substantially higher. So I would check usability. It really concerns me that there's not any houses built here
Mm-hmm.
at all.
Well, we got one. We got one in here. When you go to the other view, the Google Earth I saw.
Like right here, right?
Yeah, there he is. So that's 2022. Maybe that's the new one.
This is 2020. It's supposed to be older then.
All right, click on. All right, let's see. Try this. Oh,
just
it's
see
right
what-
right there.
Maybe this is it.
All right, let's just see real quick. No, Perry. Who's Perry? Is that the company that they're just splitting them off? I mean,
We would be interested to talk to them. Is it usable in its current condition without some kind of serious grading? That's my question.
they have a whole acre across the street there, which is nice. There's like a half acre almost. I got to see stuff moving. I mean, they're-
$300,000.
these are clearly infill lots, so we have to think about this too. There's one use. So we have to make sure we can build upon it. And is anybody doing it? And that's a full acre lot.
Yeah,
So that's very different.
it's a full acre lot. It's clearly a custom made home for $300,000. So you
Yeah.
need to be at
I have-
maybe 15,000 per property, which is where you are. So it's priced right if it's usable.
Well, he's buying it for 20. Oh, purchase price. Okay. Hopefully you're buying them. I hope
Oh,
15
both are
for
for
both.
15. So do I.
So, yeah, that's it. You know
That's
what?
good.
Then
That
I'm okay.
really
So you're buying it for $7,500, whatever,
That's really good.
each. So I could wrap my head around it
Me
just
too.
to make sure that we can do what we want to do with it. For $7,500, Eric, I just let it wait as long as, again, there's going to be some movement and you're not staring at these. You're like, I could have spent that 15,000 on something else and tripled my money by now, because it's been a year and a half and nobody wants it because it's
That's
and
cheap.
then check the HOA.
That's Jill cheap.
Yeah. We hope you found our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.